Hello everyone. Here we're going to talk about how to draw a circle with no fill in Photoshop. It's a very simple step. I have a picture and I'm going to draw a circle. So just select the ellipse tool, and if you want to draw a circle you have to hold the shift key. Okay, so just ensure that this is a key thing. Just ensure that the color is white foreground, and just draw a ellipse. If you want to draw a circle, just hold the shift key. So now you will see that the white is showing. Go to the blending options of that layer, and the first step that you have to do is click on the stroke and change the stroke value. Okay, so this is the first step, and you can change the color to whatever the color you want, and change the value of the stroke of whatever the number you want. And hit OK. So the second step is just go to the same blending options, and the general blending, change the blending mode to divide. That's it. Now you have the circle with no fill, and here's the magic. You can move anywhere you want. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy watching this video.